2 ही मिनट के लिए इंटरप्ट करेंगे विजय शेखर शर्मा वहाँ काफ़ी इमोशनल हो गए, कुछ बोल रहे हैं अपनी बिग लिस्टिंग के दिन, आइए सुनते हैं।
Today is the day that many of us never expected to happen. Many of us never believed that we could have reached here. Today is the day when a commoner surname seems like an outlier in this country. What a feeling, what a feeling, what a feeling. Today is the day when dreams of young India come along with me to say thank you to everyone in the room, thank you to everyone who believed in us, who supported us, who took us along in their life and journey. Today is the day when I believe India raises up to another milestone when not just a government of India enterprise or a large corporate conglomerate enterprise can proudly say that we could list, we could bring it to a stock exchange, and we could build probably one of the largest IPO in the country. Today is the day when that happens, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the day when that happens. I can't say it with enough conviction and words that I believe that today's India is meant for stories like this and many more stories like this to come up. I believe that Paytm's story inspires and hopefully will inspire tens of and hundreds of millions of entrepreneurs this country will produce in years to come, that yes, they can do it. They can do it even when they come from backgrounds that were not meant to be making you reach here. They can reach here. Actually, today is the day. I cannot put enough emphasis on the best team that we would have put together, who would have never stopped on any trouble, milestone, or a hurdle that we would have seen, but would have pursued it relentlessly to the purpose that we've set out for. I thank my shareholders, I thank my board members, and I thank my co-founder, actually, ladies and gentlemen. I've not said it more often, and I really cannot put it in better in words. My fellow entrepreneur, Ravi Adusumali, whom I call fondly my co-founder. Paytm wouldn't have been here at all. Forget about here as a milestone. I'm saying Paytm wouldn't have been here if it was not for him to tell me, go Vijay, do it. If you really believe in it, go big or go home. Actually, these are his words, not mine. Ravi, you've not been an investor, you've been a brother, you've been a mentor, you've been a guide, you've been a fellow board member, you've been a partner, and I wish that my life, and I wish in everybody's life, they get partners and friends like that. People tell me, how do you raise money at so many high prices, guys? And I just tell them that I never raise money on a price. I raise money on a purpose. I raise money on telling my investors and shareholders that, look, if you believe that India will be economy of future, if you believe India will be that economy that we dream of, trillions and trillions of dollars, if you believe that India will be economy coming after the Western economies in Asia, then you have to believe in Paytm. The purpose is so pious that every door opens, every road gives away. There is not a day that I would have not felt more confident and more assured of
बहुत ही strong positive commentary about India और कंपनी के बारे में, एंड जिस तरह से व्हाट ऑल इट टेक्स टू बिल्ड अ कंपनी टू दैट स्केल, वो एक बड़ी बात उनसे निकल के आ रही है।